I think that most members of the church, when they think of Mongolia, their image is of Genghis Khan, this big conqueror. But I think that as they read this book, they will come to realize that that's more than that. The name of this book is The Voice of the Saints in Mongolia. I think the title is really illustrate what we're hoping readers will get out of this book. So as readers read this book, one of the things that they will find is many stories of faith and sacrifice that we hope will also inspire them and help them feel the spirit that's in this book that will help them draw closer to the Savior. My name is Felipe Chou. I'm from Taiwan and my wife is from Hong Kong. Our hope is to be able to continue to tell the stories of the saints, to bring their voices to light and to help others also to learn as they hear their voices. They will love the many wonderful stories that are captured in this, the first comprehensive book on the history of the church in Mongolia. Thank you.